This is a 1952 Case LA of dual fuel with kerosene and petrol. This is the choke right here in the off position. On is in this position, and it runs at about halfway. This is the fuel tap. It's got two tanks. We put petrol in this tank. This is the clutch lever in the off position, which is towards the back of the vehicle. It locks on if you push it on forwards enough. This is the governor, engine speed governor control. Forwards is faster. This is the timing control. Forwards is advanced. This is the brake, which doesn't really work very well. This is the gear shifter. The pattern is on the casting here. It has a PTO as well, or a belt PTO. I haven't worked out how to disengage that. Here's the mag. The rotor button spins in that direction clockwise. So down's retarded, advanced is upwards. I'm started in the retarded position. This is the crank handle. You push it in and turn it clockwise. Generator. The oil goes in here. You fill it until the oil overflows from this tap there, and then we'll try and start it.